my friend. Today we're gonna be doing like so he's gonna be the one that's stepping on the landmines and to kill people. Like this. He's gonna step on the landmines when people are near, and then he's gonna explode them, and we grab their stuff. And then we're gonna make we're gonna sell it or throw it into the river. We're gonna sell the stuff or throw it into the river, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, join me. It's gonna be no PvP because he can just go in the landmines, and if we're in a PvP, then I'm cooked.
Not any.
Hello.
You're so loud. Yo, are you here? Okay.
I just got a free rate.
Hello, a bullet.
Want this ray gun?
Bullet.
Ray gun or double and get the next person?
Oh, I want the ray gun.
Can anybody donate?
I
lost so much stuff.
Low gravity.
Hey, bro, what? You can just pick it. You had like 5 seconds to pick it up.
Can I have a ray gun?
To the ring, to the pen, to the
Oh my
king.
gosh,
Where's my crown?
Can you help me get a ray gun?
Sure, why not? I just gotta do something.
Yo, Wyatt. Wyatt, did you kill someone?
Yeah. No.
Oh, okay. Follow me. Wait, you can use that to not get hurt from the landmine. Hey, what's up?
No.
Wait, follow. Can you help me go to the Can you help me find the boombox?
I know where it is.
Oh yeah, can you help me?
Where's the boombox? Yeah, sure. Come on.
Follow me, Wyatt. Okay. Wait. Go slow. Wait. Don't when it gets near the Wyatt.
I feel like you're being a bit sus.
Huh?
I feel like something's a bit off. Where's the boombox?
I'm waiting, bro.
Wait,
That's slow. I don't really trust you because
Where's the boombox?
it's the landmines and I feel like you're gonna explode.
Bro, it's a no PvP server. Hi.
You know that landmines can literally kill you, right?
Where's the boombox?
It's in no PvP wall.
Where's the boombox?
Okay, why let's just join another code for another chance. Dude, let's join another code.
So
I'm in a no PvP. Wait, what's that bomb?
Can I have one?
Oh, no, guys.
Oh, already?
I think there's a new monster, the Bomber Monster, it says. Did you know there's a Bomber Monster? What? Dude, it's a Bomber Monster. Dude, did you know that?
Yeah, egg tomatoes. Yeah. I'm pouring it. Look how much people I've blocked. See, I believe it. It's a 5-4. Yo! Why are you guys finding so many chests with good stuff?
We got the worst chest we got the worst drop from a regular legendary chest and then this chest.
Can you kill your own teammate with it? I'll be right back.
Wait, guess
You probably, yeah, you say fine. Yo. Tell me your pie, yeah, you say fine. Oh, just called. Oh, David.
I'm the report black.
No, he's not online.
Bro got cornered. Bro got shot.
Oh.
Can I have a ray gun?
Yeah,
What?
Can
Can I have a ray gun?
by myself. I don't like doing this, but guys, can someone help me find Can someone help me find the boom box? Can you help me find the boom box? Yo, can you help me find the boom box? Yo, does anyone know where the boom box is? Do you? Do you know where the boom box is? Can you help me? What? Can you help me find the boom box?
Guys, you want to go in Haunted Mansion?
Can you?
Does anyone want to grind in Haunted Mansion?
Wait, me? Can someone please help me?
More keys. I'm trying to get more keys.
Can you help me
What are
find?
you trying to do?
Huh?
Oh, and we need a light. We need lights.
Yeah, no.
Donations. Oh, I already have one. Donation. Okay, let's go.
Goodie bag.
Would you donate that?
Hey, you want
So,
trade?
do one everyone?
No, sip
want
it up. Sip it into my bag. Come on.
No.
No.
Sip
You must
it.
be trade. You must be trading. No.
Sip
Trading.
it.
Gross. Only trading for a ray gun. I revolver for a ray gun. A revolver for a ray gun.
Yeah.
What you have?
Yes. Okay, then come join my code. How do you shop mine?
What do you want for that? What do you want for that? What do you want for that?
A railgun. What do you
I
have?
got full shotguns. I got full shotguns.
Okay, perfect.
For this.
No, Bruder, there.
Nah, I don't need
The skeleton. Come.
What do you
Okay,
have?
I say you the
Wat
code.
voor Dinos met rij?
Yeah.
3 ray guns.
Going.
Nein, Bruder. Jemand will 4 Shotguns geben. Das
Don't
ist
worry,
viel mehr
the
wert.
wrong way.
Natürlich, Bruder, ist perfekt.
Ich gebe schon mal Dinos mit rein, ne? Ich gebe
Yes, come on. Where are you? Come on. I say you the code.
Bro, guys. Me and my friends are here. If you want to stay, that's
Look,
fine. Okay?
hear me out. Look, this, I don't know this Buchstaben. Wait, this,
Stop,
this,
guys.
this,
Wait, what is it? This?
Okay, I got the ammo, bro. I'm coming.
H.
H?
Look, no, bro. This, I don't know what is that in English, bro. This, then E. Where is E? This. I mean
So
I.
where are you?
Like this I, and this. I don't know what is that.
Where are you guys?
That's it?
No, then A. N.
This one? This one?
Where are you? I'm not
Yes,
finding
A N N. No, M. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
Kill him.
Donations! Guys, donations!
No! No, I'm in the middle! No! That kid, I also hit him for 30, the same kid, on the AR. This kid has single leg on, bro. Like he edited without using.
I was gonna give him a pumpkin. Yo, bro, you said you lost your... Bro, stop.
I
You said you lost
my
your pumpkin?
I did.
Okay, not many people can just lose their pumpkin.
No, because someone killed me.
And the chicken under my life, I tried.
If I see one person in the server with a pumpkin,
Wait, can you help me find the blue
or did
box?
they kill you in? Did they kill you in this server?
No, in a different server.
I have nothing.
Can you help me find the blue box?
What am I doing? Purple, go over to the secret hideout.
Mango.
Can you show me, like, can you bring me?
Are you going into a game?
Yo, what the hell? Yo, guys, something happened.